My name is Mauricio. I am a fourth-year PhD student working in the kinesiology and sport management department, and my area of research is in vascular physiology. So the reason I came to Texas Tech really is because of the opportunity presented here at Tech. I also think that Lubbock has been really good to me. I've been afforded opportunities that I honestly think I would not have had anywhere else. I'd certainly like to first off thank my mentor, Dr. Arturo Figueroa, who took a chance with me and wanted to help me through all this process. My colleagues whom it's almost as if you create a family. And so I really thank them. And of course, I have to thank my family for always being supportive and always pushing me and always having my back, and of course, my Lord and Savior Christ. But truthfully, it was the opportunity to get a PhD. I was funded to do my PhD here. And I know when I do graduate here, I will have a very unique set of attributes that is genuinely gonna make me a better individual moving forward. And I would say that that's specific to Texas Tech University. So my area of research is in vascular physiology. And the reason why I'm actually very interested in vascular physiology is blood goes everywhere. And we need blood to live. We use blood for oxygen, there's nutrients. And so the way I see it is it's super, super important to make sure that we take care of the highways, if you will, or what is carrying and delivering that blood. And so really what I'm trying to do is, even with these little, perhaps research studies, is being able to promote and be able to help specifically older adults and help them have a more satisfactory life. So from day to day, I think really what interests me the most is how different aspects of what you're consuming, whether that be food, whether that be certain kinds of drinks, whether that be your lifestyle, things like physical inactivity or even physical activity, and how those specific things are detriments or maybe even a positive part to our overall physiology, specifically, once again, vascular physiology itself. The type of research that we do, it's not necessarily selfish, and what I mean by that is because it's specific to older adults, because it's specific to women that are understudied and often undervalued, I think that the things that we do are very, very important. One of my colleagues just spoke to a previous participant. So this participant came in, she was considered stage 1 hypertensive, which means an elevation in high blood pressure. She participated in a study of physical activity. So we actually had her do exercise, resistance training for 4 weeks. And after those 4 weeks, when she finished the study, she actually began a regimen. And so we see that the things that we promote here and the things that we are investigating, we do see people adapting these kinds of things as well because they see the difference. That lady lowered her blood pressure, she significantly dropped in weight, and she's significantly healthier. One of the biggest things with human research is finding an incentive to bring individuals in. And so that graduate student research fund, what it's allowing us to do is really allowing us to pay our participants. Thankfully, we have a really nice lab here. We have all of the equipment that we need that's been supplied by our mentor. And so really the only thing, the additional things that we need is, once again, an incentive to bring individuals in. And that graduate and student research fund is a huge, huge help for us. It certainly is. As a society, we require investigation of any kind of information. And from that, that's how we have these universities. That's how we have the information that we have. And I genuinely think that irregardless of what you're looking at, funding for research in any environment, in any area, is an essential part of us as a society, I think. And so the graduate school, as well as other areas funding research, is something that's super, super important.